Now guys, I will going to teach you how you can create your ChatGPT account. So just open your browser and just search here ChatGPT. Okay, click on enter and then you will see this first link by a company openai.com. So just click on this first link. Then you will see this option of a try ChatGPT. Okay, just tap here, then you will see this option of a sign up. Okay, so just click on this sign up button and then you can just click on this continue with Google, or you can either put your email address. I will choose with continue with Google. Allow your Google account to access it. Just wait for few seconds, then it will going to ask you some information, so just continue it. You have to just verify your phone number. Okay, so you can just tick mark yes, and then you just have to put your phone number. Okay, so let me just give my phone number. You can just send SMS instead. Okay, so it's totally depend on you, so I will just click on send SMS. Now whatever mobile number you have put, so there you will going to get one OTP code. Okay, 6-digit code, so you just need to put that code. Okay, so for example in my case my code is, then you have to just verify this one and then click on next, click on next, click on done. So here you can see this is your chat gpt dashboard. Okay, so this is how you can set up your chat gpt account very easily.